everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Mallory. Welcome, and today we're doing a StoryBook Cosmetics eyeshadow tutorial. I've already done my eyebrows and prepped my face, so we're gonna hop right into the tutorial. So these are the colors. If you have not seen this before, we got this in the December Boxy Luxe, and I've used it once. I used it once already, just like testing out a look just to see if I even like the palette, because I didn't want to play with it if I didn't. But turns out I actually love it. So we're gonna hop right in with this tutorial. So I prepped my eyeshadow, my eyelid with concealer. So now I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow brush and put a transition shade. For this look, I'm going to take the color, I think Spindle. We're gonna take Spindle, that little shade right there, as the transition shade. And I'm going to put that right in. Whoa, buddy, this brush is dirty. That is not gonna work. I tried to wipe the brush off and I thought I got all the color off, but I didn't. Turns out I did not. Okay, let's start that again. So now I'm gonna take the color Spindle on a different brush. Put that as a transition shade. As long as this color is, it is very pigmented. Like it. Okay, so next I'm gonna take the color Grim, and I'm going to take the same brush and put that like right underneath there, just a little bit lower. Yo, I'm getting ready to do a giveaway. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so that you can get updated whenever that comes, because there is a lot of stuff that I have from Boxy Luxe and Boxy Charm, Boxy Luxe, Boxy Charm, and Ipsy, the Glam Bag Plus, that I have that I want to get rid of. Plus a few more good things I'm gonna throw in there for you guys that I'm actually gonna go out to the store and buy. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that whenever that giveaway video shows up, you don't miss out. I'm thinking I'm going to try to do a giveaway at least once a month. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is what we're working with so far. When do we get up close? Look, doesn't look as good. Let me try to change the light. Let's see. Yo, this ponytail I have on my head is so tight. Like, I feel like my eyes are super cheeky. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush to kind of create sort of like a cut crease effect, but like opposite with the darker color. I'm just gonna put it right here. This is the same color that I used to blend. It's the color Grim. I really like this shade, but it has a lot of fallout, it seems like. Just fine, whatever. I figured it would. That's why we don't have on face right now. But I don't have on face. Don't know what y'all got going on, but. So I'm going with my blend brush again. I'm just gonna blend it out. Perfect. Perfection. Now that I've gotten that on, I think I'm going to, what do y'all think? Matte or shiny? Matte or shiny? Let's see. I'm trying to decide between like this one, like keep it like kind of like in the same colors, just like a little bit of a, you know, difference, and then this one, the Talia. So let's see. Talia. I know somebody named Talia, and that's how she spells her name. That's what I'm saying, like that. Okay, so Briar Rose or Talia. So Briar Rose lost. We're gonna go into Talia. Oh, I think this was a good choice anyway. So the shimmers, last time I used this, I used the Enchanted shade, and that one came out really well. Like the color, oh, I just stuck my finger in it. Shit. But that one came out really well. I really like that shade a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep packing. I want it all over my lid. I'm really into the, if you watched some of my previous tutorials, I was like super into like the cut crease for a long time, which I still kind of am, but I prefer more of like the, I don't know what it's called actually. It's like a blended cut crease, like a blended version, I guess. And I just did the same thing with Glam that I did before I started the shade. I just took that brush and like kind of made a crease type thing. Okay, now I went and blended it out. So I'm gonna go back into Talia and pack some more in there. It's like, so what I'm talking about is like a cut crease, but like not as harsh. Like no straight line or anything. It's kind of like a blended out one. I don't know. I don't know what this shit's called, but I think you know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go in and do the other side really quick. People always ask me like, oh, you do your makeup every day? What time do you get up? How long does it take you? It really doesn't take me that long. Like, y'all need to stop being so lazy. Like, if you want to be cute, you gonna make time to be cute. Like, I want to be cute whenever I go to work, so I make time for it. You make time for what's important to you, for real. Time is relative. Because if I got 3 kids, I can get ready to go to school, and I don't be sending them to school looking crazy. I comb everybody's hair, make sure everybody got their stuff together, and I get them ready for school, then get myself ready for work, do my hair and my makeup. I wake up earlier, and I'm about to start waking up even earlier so I can work out. It kills me when people think, I don't have time for all that. All right, girl. Be where you're looking at. Or be basic for the day, girl. I don't care, but that ain't got nothing to do with me in my time. So I'm gonna wipe this off. I got makeup remover wipes right here. These are by Almay. They're biodegradable. Nothing special. One of my friends got them for me. Okay. Oh, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. So what are we thinking about eyeliner? Should I do the liner or not? Hang on, I'm looking for my brush because I just want to blend this out. Y'all, I really be trying to like pull my eye up so that I have more room to blend. Because I don't want it to go up too high, but I need it to blend and not blend into the... Actually, weird. Let me do that more often. Perfect. Perfect. This is the brand. I'm not even going to try to butcher the name anymore. It's just the black eyeliner. This one, it just looks like a marker almost. So, I think I'm going to do like a smaller wing. You know. Do y'all, whenever you do your eyeliner, like I feel like the first side, it always comes out okay, and then the second side comes out like super thick. So then I have to even out the first side and make it like the other side. It sucks because it's so big. I was not like, I don't know. Okay, so a lot of people ask me how I do my wing. I'm not lying whenever I say I just flick it and see what happens. Sometimes I flick down, sometimes I flick up. Let's flick up today. Yeah, so I flick up and then I see what happens. Like, normally I like do it. Normally I do it down, I think. I'm gonna try to think about how I normally do it. I don't know. There's the today. So once I get it on there, I just try to like even it out as much as possible, like make the best wing out of it. This one has to go thicker because it's the way that it flipped. But that's pretty much it. That's how I get it done. I'm gonna go with concealer and make it like sharp. I was at the line at Chipotle one day and the girl was like, oh, I love your eyeliner. It's like sharp enough to kill. Girl, thank you. You want a tip? I didn't even know that they took tips at Chipotle until that day. Because I was really thinking like, oh, I'm gonna give her a tip some type of way. And then they had like a little tip jar and I was like, oh, okay. She actually is gonna get a tip today. So that's the eyeliner. I'm gonna do the other side real quick. I'm gonna try not to speak while doing it so that I can try to get it as even as this side because I don't want to go any thicker than this. my eyeliner wings are sisters, not twins at all. None. Should I sharpen this one up? So now for like underneath my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the black because I feel like since my eyeliner is so thick, I have to make it smoky down bottom. So I'm gonna take, this is Hollywood and Vine Kohl crayon in the color black. So like, I understand that Boxy Charm is like, Boxy Charm and like Ipsy, they like try to put like some of these brands on, I guess, by like sending out some of their stuff. And I'm sure that they probably get it for free by some of them, you know, to promote their stuff. But like, I really don't even know who, like, I've never heard of some of these brands like in real life. Like, don't even know who they are. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on face real quick so that you can get a final look. If you are a real, like you wear makeup often and you know your makeup doesn't actually look that great until you were like completely done. So I'm gonna pop my face on real quick and then I will come back and show you the final look. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. For lipstick, I used a, I'm sorry, I'm looking for it while I'm trying to talk. I used the Black Radiance contour stick and I just put it like around my lips and did like a, one of those. I already had like lip gloss on. So this is like the lip color that I came out with. And so if you guys are interested in like my foundation routine, I am gonna post a video sometime this week of like me doing this face makeup, but I was acting a fool, so I couldn't, you'll see whenever you watch it, but I was like literally just in here cutting up, and I mean, that's why it takes me so long to get ready. But overall, so I really do like the StoryBook Cosmetics palette. These palettes normally retail for about $58, which for me is kind of steep. Like, I'm not going to pay that much for this whenever the colors are, they are good, but you know, like palettes like ColourPop and other ones, I mean, they're cheap and they are still really good. So this one didn't do anything spectacular, but I do think that this look is very cute. So, you know, I'm glad I got it for my little, I don't know how much we paid for box, so it's like 58 or something. Anyways, that is the end of this video. Thank you. Just one. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in my foundation routine or you just want to see me cutting up, be on the lookout for that video sometime later on this week, probably Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, go ahead, subscribe, like this video, leave your comments below, and you guys will see my face in the next video.